Let's delve into creating a zoom effect in your video. Begin by positioning your video playhead at the starting point where you intend the zoom-in animation to initiate. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner and select the Inspector option. Ensure that you're focused on the Video tab within this panel. Here you'll encounter a diamond symbol adjacent to the zoom feature. Click on it. While setting up this effect, if adjustments to the position are necessary, click on the respective diamond for positioning. Now navigate to the desired moment where the zoom effect should culminate and once more click on the diamond. For clarity on your adjustments, you can toggle visibility by selecting the diamond located at the bottom right of your video clip. To actualize the zoom, modify the zoom values as per your preference. If positional adjustments are needed, adjust those values accordingly. Should you wish to incorporate a zoom out effect, mark the beginning point similarly by clicking on the diamond. Proceed to set the end point for the zoom out by selecting the diamond again. To finalize the zoom out effect, revert the zoom and position values to their original settings. With these steps, you've gained the skills to incorporate dynamic zoom effects within DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial beneficial, your support through likes would be immensely valued.